Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says that the class size of a distribution is 25 and the first class interval is 200 to 224. There are 7 class intervals. First is write the class intervals. Second one is write the class mark of each class interval. So question में हमसे क्या कहा गया है कि जो क्लास साइज है किसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का गिवन है हमारे पास class size of a distribution is 25 and number of class intervals कितने given है number of class intervals these are 7 and हमें जो first class interval given है first class interval is 200 to 224. So ऐसे ही हमारे पास number of class intervals कितने हैं 7. So second class interval कहाँ से शुरू होगा हमारा 225. So that will be 225 to 249 हो जाएगा. Next class interval will be 250 to 274. Then next will be 275 to 299. Then next हो जाएगा 300 to 324. Next will be 325 to 349. And the last one will be 350 to 374. So these are the 7 class intervals. ये हो जाएगा हमारा फर्स्ट पार्ट का आंसर. इन सेकेंड पार्ट हमने क्या निकालना है क्लास मार्क निकालने ईच क्लास इंटरवल के लिए. सो क्लास मार्क का हमारे पास फॉर्मूला क्या होता है दैट इज अपर लिमिट प्लस lower limit. Upper limit of the given class interval plus lower limit divided by 2. So first class interval है हमारे पास first is 200 to 224. So उस केस में क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास 200 plus 224 divided by 2. which is equals to 424 divided by 2 which is 212. Class mark for second class interval क्या हो जाएगा second class interval है हमारा 225 to 249. So that will be 225 plus 249 divided by 2. This is equals to 474 divided by 2 which is 237. थर्ड क्लास इंटरवल के लिए हो जाएगा हमारा क्लास मार्क 250 प्लस 274 divided by 2 which will be 524 divided by 2 that is 262. Then fourth class इंटरवल के लिए होगा 275 plus 299 upon 2 which is 574 upon 2 that is 287. Then for fifth class interval class mark क्या हो जाएगा हमारा 300 plus 324 divided by 2 which is equals to 624 divided by 2 which is 312. Then sixth class interval के लिए क्या हो जाएगा 325 plus 349 divided by 2 which is equals to 674 upon 2 which is 337. Then last fifth सिक्स्थ एंड सेवन्थ क्लास इंटरवल के लिए क्या होगा क्लास मार्क 350 plus 374 divided by 2, which is equals to 724 divided by 2, which is 362. So ये हो जाएंगे हमारे पास class marks for different class intervals. I hope you must have understood this. All the best. Thank you.